at how you can utilize Vira's flow mapping feature. So you essentially have to log into your Meta account. So the first step would be to type business.facebook.com. You will be asked to log into your credentials and then enter a code. After you have logged into your Meta account, you can simply click on settings. And here you will be able to find WhatsApp accounts. So essentially the number that is linked to the Meta account can be seen here, and if you scroll down you can see WhatsApp Manager. Now after having clicked WhatsApp Manager, navigate to near top left. You can see message templates. Under message templates you can see manage templates. Click there. Here you will be able to find all your previously created message templates, and from this button you can create a new message template. Click on create template. Here you'll be able to create your form. You can view the categories of the message templates. Click on the flow category. You will be prompted to name your template, and here you can see flow setup. When you click create new, it will ask you to select a flow type. In our case, we'll have to click the custom form. Click on create. So here you can essentially see, you can give a title to your form, like for example, you're trying to create a lead qualification form for, let's say, the real estate industry. So what you can essentially do is add content, go to drop down, you can give a label. For example, you can create a drop down like such, having the option as timeline to buy, and then having these, for example, as the drop down. And similarly you can create other or drop downs, and this is how your form would look. So this is how you can create forms or use message templates on Meta. So now we will take a look at the flow mapping feature of Vira. So once you come to your HubSpot contacts, click on any contact. Navigate to the Vira CRM card and click on dashboard. Click on the hamburger menu, and in the menu items you can see flow mapping. So here you will be able to find all your approved templates. So let's click on the approved template. So here you will be essentially mapping all the fields to the corresponding HubSpot properties. So when you send that form to your customer or whosoever the user is, they will receive that message. They can click on the button and they will be prompted to fill out a form, which will all be happening within the WhatsApp interface itself. So now what happens is that the user will fill out certain responses to the fields that you have provided, and it will automatically get fetched on HubSpot. So as you can see, this contact has filled these fields as such. So what it essentially allows you to do is you can qualify leads. So you can essentially prioritize those leads that are hot or need urgent attention. Alternatively, it is like you can also ask users to fill out form, get feedback, etc. So this was the WhatsApp flow feature of Vira, and this is how you can use it.